Because I know Ms. Schneider would very much like you to use reputable and academic resources, I also wanted to demonstrate the database Scienceflix in order to answer some of your questions. Once again, you're going to go to the username and password page that you have saved on your toolbar from the beginning of the year. You may go to My MCPS Classroom to get the usernames and passwords, or you might go on to the library website from the MLK website. So once that happens, you're going to navigate towards Scienceflix, and it will ask you for your username and password. You will provide that, and then you will see this screen. Look for the column that says Health and Human Body, and then scroll down, and you will see it has its own separate subheading of diseases. And this is fantastic because it does talk about and it does compare infectious diseases to genetic diseases. So at the very, very top, you will see some general articles. Um, but you may scroll down to dive deeper, and you'll see that there are two articles that you can look at: infectious diseases and genetic diseases. And if you click on those, and you wait for the page to load, it does have a lot of accessibility features. You can level the article up. It starts at Lexile 780 level 1, and it goes all the way up to 3. You can have it read to you. I really like the fact that you can highlight any word to look it up, and of course, print the article to yourself. Of course, you are going to need to cite the article, and that can be done very easily by just scrolling down to the bottom of the page, finding where it says MLA citation, and copy and pasting the citation, and then you can provide that to Ms. Schneider so she knows exactly where you got this article. So it's just another resource if you want to use a variety of things. I usually recommend using more than one database or more than one article, but you could use the Encyclopedia Britannica. And let's just take a quick peek at that. I have it already up because we've already talked about how to search, especially if you're going to be researching an infectious disease and you're not exactly sure what disease to pick. This article is great. I searched human disease. That's it. It's a great article. Infectious diseases, it gives you what it is. But then what I really like about it, whoops, it went so fast, is that it gives you a list of possible diseases to look at. And then it kind of talks about autoimmune diseases, etc. So that might be another option for you. You can also use the Encyclopedia Britannica to search any specific diseases, because I know that there are specific questions that you have to answer about that. And I recommend that over just searching Google and having to sift through information from various websites that you may or may not be able to trust.